Hey, what's up? My name's Eric, and if you are looking for a training plan that is specific on including hiking into part of your training for your first or your next 100-mile ultra marathon, then this is the training guide for you. I'm excited to let you know that it's finally ready. It's going to complete the series, the Toronto Ultra Series, 25K all the way up to 100-mile. So click the link in the description below or in the top comment, or go to my website, myenduranceLife.com, and pick up the complete series, 25K all the way to 100-mile. Make sure you click the box that says add the 100-mile training guide to your order, and it's there for you. There's lots of training plans out there on the internet, but I believe that this is one of the only ones available that has broken down step-by-step videos that I include. When you download it and print it out, you can scan the QR code that's on the training guide, or click the link because I send it to you in a PDF too, and that will take you to the bonus pages, the bonus training, where there's nutrition information, step-by-step training on how to go from building a strong foundation all the way to peak training, getting really race specific, and including hiking and how to hike with a purpose, so you're just not going through the motions, but you're actually like moving at a really good pace to complete your first or your next 100-mile ultra marathon. So again, tap the button below, or tap the link below, and make sure to click the box that says add the 100-mile training guide to your order. Blown away. You're going to be stoked. Can't wait to see your Metal Monday post holding up your belt buckle. Again, myenduranceLife.com, the Toronto Ultra Series. Talk to you soon.